Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying their life and welcome to my YouTube channel Luxuriant Fashions. Today viewers, I am going to back with the most beautiful stylish bob haircuts, undercuts, side undercuts and head shave undercut design ideas. Your ultimate destination for a chipboard and trendy pixie haircuts. Whether you're looking for a daring transformations or fresh styling, tips you're in the right place. Pixie haircuts are more than just a style, they are statements. From textured cuts to stylish looks, we bring you the best inspirations, expert advice, and step-by-step tutorials elevates your short hair game. And the best part, pixie haircuts, just stylish, they are low maintenance and lessly versatile. With the right product and techniques, you can switch up your look effortlessly from sleek and polished and playful. So, are you ready to embrace the power of short hair? Subscribe to Luxury and Fashion for all things pixie hairstyle ideas, expert tips, and daily hair inspirations. Hit the bell icon so you'll never miss any updates. It's time to redefine beauty one pixie cut at a time. So guys, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information and updates and news and ideas, and keep visiting my channel Luxury and Fashion. I must suggest you to watch then my videos and please like my videos, share my videos with your friends and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel for more information and updates and news and ideas. So goodbye viewers. See you soon with new collections and new ideas for haircut.